about you guys, but I just hate making rice. It never comes out right. It's either too dry or too sticky and wet. So if you're like me and need help making rice, you need this kitchen appliance to make your life easier. I'm gonna show you guys how I make the most perfect, fluffiest rice in my new Cosori rice cooker. This rice cooker comes with a little cup to measure. I'm making 3 cups of rice. Wash my rice really good until the water runs clear so it's not too starchy. This rice cooker has measurements on the side so you can always get it right. Comes with a little spatula as well. Love to add a little avocado oil and salt to my rice just for taste. Comes out super fluffy that way. This cooker has 18 functions in it, so there's so many things that you can do with it. It has a user manual and a recipe book. You can cook oats, beans, pasta, literally anything in here, not just rice. Anyways, this rice cooker literally cooked my rice to perfection. And in general, cooking sticky rice is a little hard, but like literally just look at how fluffy and perfect the rice turned out. As an adult, getting a new appliance that works amazing is equivalent to getting a new toy when you were a kid. I honestly think that the rice texture made this meal. It was so amazing. If you're looking for a new rice cooker, I highly recommend this one. It has such a sleek, modern, non-bulky design that I absolutely love.